Hi Prof, my name is Darren and I'm going to present my app on behalf of Assignment Group 2. These are my group mates, Singray, Bob, Hannah and Corliss. This is our group photo because we did not actually meet in person, we only went through Zoom meetings. So now I will go through the app. First thing I will demonstrate will be unsuccessful student login. So when I log in, if I enter a wrong username, obviously student is not found in school records. Now I'll try again with a correct username but with a wrong password. As you can see, I'm typing something but the password is masked. So if the password is wrong, I'll not be able to log in. Now, I will log in again with the correct password. This text file stores all the passwords because I cannot remember all the passwords for all the different students. But actually, these are the clear text format. The hash format is actually this form, so we are storing in hash format. So as you can see, over here I log in as DNG037, but it says the airdrop period has not started. Because for this student, the airdrop period is 24th to 25th November, and I'm recording this as of 23rd November. Now I will try again, but with a different user. And for this user, the airdrop period has already ended from 21st to 22nd November. So if I try to log in, the system will say that the airdrop period has already ended and I won't be able to log in. Now I will demonstrate some of the admin functions. So if I log in as an admin, first thing I will demonstrate will be edit student access period. So if I enter a wrong delimiter in the date format, our date format needs to be entered in this exact format. So if I enter something wrong, for example, I put in a comma instead of a colon, the system will catch this error. And if I try again, and this time I put an invalid date with the start date later than the end date, and obviously this will not work and the system will also catch this error. And now let me try again, but with the correct format. Now I've successfully managed to change the access period for this student, and the app prints the full list of students with their corresponding access period after it has been changed. Now I will edit the access period for another student and put in the same access period, and the access period has also managed to be changed. Now I will showcase another function, which is add a student for the admin. So if I add an existing student, the system will not allow me to do so. I'll try again, but this time put in something else. And I will put in an invalid date. The system will catch this error. Now, but I will put in a valid date this time. You can see the system prints the full list of students after the addition, and the new student that I added is at the end right here. Now I will showcase the add a course function. So if I add an existing course, for example CZ2011, the system will reject this. Now I'll try again, but add in a course that does not exist. But if I put in an invalid number of AUs, for example -1, the system will reject this because number of AUs entered must be greater than 0. Now if I try again, but put in 3 AUs, you can see that the course has been successfully added and the full list is printed at the end. So software engineering has 10 vacancies. Next, I will showcase the check available slot for an index number. So this one is pretty simple, so I just enter CE2004. It will show me all the index numbers, and I'll input one that I want. And it will show me the number of index vacancies for this index number, which is 10 out of 10. I'll repeat it with some invalid inputs. For example, a course that does not exist, the app will say so. And if I put in an index number that does not exist, the app will also say so. Now I will log out and log into a student account. If you remember, I changed the access period of this student just now. So previously the login didn't work, but it should work now. As you can see, login is successful. I will showcase the add a course function. If I put in a course code that does not exist, the app will not let me add this course. If I add a wrong index number, I will also not be able to add it. Now I will add CZ1107. So there's a bit of lag because the system is sending an email. So if I go back to my email, there will be a notification, course added, CZ1107. Now if I try to add CZ1107 again, obviously I will not be able to add because I'm already taking this course. I will add another course, CZ1007, but I should not be able to add this course because it has a timetable clash with my current timetable. Now let me add another one that has no timetable clash. Another email is sent to my email, and now you can see I'm taking two courses, both of which I've already added. Now I'll showcase the check print courses registered function, and it basically print the same thing that we use in our add course function. We use this function quite a lot in our program. Now I'll showcase the check vacancies available function. So this one is pretty simple, it just prints every course with the corresponding number of vacancies. Now I will add one more course for this student. And as you can see, now this student is currently taking 3 courses. Now I will showcase the drop course function. When I drop course, the system will print all the courses that I'm taking, so it's more user friendly. So for example, if I drop CZ1107, I will get another email. You can see over here, course dropped, CZ1107. And if I try to drop a course that I'm not taking, for example, try drop CZ107 again, it will say I'm currently not taking this course. Now I will try to swap index number for one of the courses that I'm taking. For example, for CE2004, I will try to swap to index 10028. But I'm not able to do so because there's a current clash. So let me try another one. Change to 10030. This should be able to change successfully. And now as you can see, when the system prints the course that I'm taking, CE2004 has been successfully changed to index 10030. Now I will log out and log into different users to show that different users are able to add courses. So for this user, I will add CE2004 course. So the course is successfully added. Now I will log into a different user. And I will also add CE2004 by a different index. Now I will showcase the swap index number with another student function. So firstly, I will enter the course code. And the system will print the list of students that are currently taking this course. I will now have to enter the username of the friend that I wish to swap index with. And this student will have to enter his or her password. But for example, if I type in the wrong password here, the system will not allow me to change index with this student. So I'll try again. And also if I enter the wrong username, I will not be able to swap. Now if I enter the correct password to swap, the system still does not allow me to swap because user DNG037 has a timetable that clashes with index 10028. So I will have to swap with somebody else. So as you can see, I'm able to swap with this user instead. And now email notifications are being sent to both students. And you can see over here, the index numbers for both students have changed successfully. Now, I will log out and log in to showcase our waitlist function. So I will try to add a course that's already full. For example, CZ1007. Since there are no vacancies, the system tells me that I'll be added to this waitlist, number of students ahead of me 0. Now I will add another student to this course. So as you can see, the system tells me that I'll be added to this waitlist, and there's one student ahead of me because just now I already added someone else to this course. Now I will demonstrate what happens when I drop a course using someone who is taking this course that is full. So for example, when this user logs in and he drops course CZ1007, there will be a notification sent to this student to inform him that course 1007 has been successfully added, and the email notification will be sent as well. This student is removed first because he was the first one that entered the waitlist. Now I will showcase another example. When I drop CZ1007, this student is then removed from the waitlist because she was the second one that was added to the waitlist previously, and the email notification is also sent, as you can see over here, CZ1007. All the emails are being sent to my email currently because I do not want to spam anyone. And now if I check vacancies available, you can see that course 1007 still has 0 vacancies, as it should be. Now I will showcase the update a course function for admin. So I'll log out and log in as admin. I already show add course, so now I'll show update a course. So first I'll enter the course code of the course I wish to edit. For example, CZ1107. I can edit the course code to CZ1108. I can edit the course name to something else. I can edit the number of AUs to 4, for example. And I can also edit the index number. For example, I can edit index number 10431 and change it to 10433. And change the number of vacancies from 10 to 5 now. And you can see all the changes that I made previously are all captured over here. So when I'm done, I just press finish updating, and it will print the full list of courses. As you can see, the course that I changed is over here with all the changes already taken place. Now I will showcase print student list by index number function. So for example, I want to check CZ1007 index 10163. This is the course that is currently full. So as you can see, this index contains all 10 students, and these two were the two that were removed from the waitlist and added to this course. Now I'll print student list by course to showcase the last function, CE2004. And there are 3 students that added this course that they were added previously just now. And what last thing I will want to demonstrate will be when I quit the program and start the program again. Whenever I quit the program, all the changes that I made will be written back to the text files, and it will be read back when I re-log in and start the app again. So if I print student list by index number, the same 10 students are still in the course. And if I print student list by course, you can see that the same 3 people are taking CE2004. So this is just to show that whenever we quit the app, all the data changes will be written back into our text files. So that brings me to the end of my app demonstration. Thank you.